Good morning, Dr. Afiza Abbas. Today we are going to present our project entitled Smartspend AI, Ethical AI, Power Financial Wellness System for Young Office Worker. My name is Nur Sakina binti Ishaq and my teammate is Nur Nazira Maslina. For today's presentation, I will be covering the introduction, literature review, and the design and development of our proposed system, including the proposed framework and prototype demonstration. After that, my teammate will continue with the chapter 4, which discuss the impact of the Smart Spend AI on society, followed by the project conclusion and future enhancement. Without further ado, let's begin with the introduction for our project. Today, digital payment technologies such as e-wallet have become an essential part of our daily life. They allow users to make cashless transition quickly and conveniently, making them especially popular among young office workers. However, this convenience has also changed spending behavior since payments are completed with just a few taps. Many users spend more frequently without realizing how much they are actually spending. As a result, many young professionals struggle with the budgeting, saving money, and maintaining good financial habits. Therefore, our project proposed Smartspend AI, an AI-powered financial wellness system designed to help users better understanding their spending behavior, manage their budget, and make smart financial decisions. Although many financial applications are available today, several important challenges still remain. First, the increasing use of digital payment encourage impulse spending because users no longer experience the psychological feeling of spending physical cash. Second, many young office workers have limited financial awareness and often find it difficult to manage their monthly budget effectively. In addition, most existing applications mainly focus on recording transactions rather than providing intelligent financial guidance. They also lack transparency in how AI recommendations are generated, making it difficult for users to fully trust the system. This issue highlights the need for smarter and more responsible financial management solutions. To overcome these challenges, we propose Smartspend AI. Smartspend AI combines financial management with artificial intelligence to help users develop healthier financial habits. The system analyzes user spending behavior, monitors their budget, predict future financial trends, and provides personalized recommendations. More importantly, Smartspend AI incorporates ethical AI principles, ensuring that recommendations are transparent, explainable, and fair. Our goal is not only to help users track their expenses, but also to improve financial literacy and support better long-term financial decision making. To support the development of our proposed system, we review previous studies in several important areas. The first area focused on e-wallet adoption and its impact on consumer spending behavior. Research shows that the convenience of digital payment often increases impulsive purchases. The second area examines the use of AI in personal finance, where intelligent system can analyze spending pattern and generate personalized financial recommendation. The third area highlights the importance of explainable AI, which allow users to understand why a recommendation is generated instead of treating AI as a black box. Finally, previous study emphasize the importance of ethical AI principles such as transparency, fairness, accountability, and data privacy when AI is applied in financial services. Although many existing financial applications already utilize AI technology, several research gaps still exist. Most applications focus primarily on transaction recording, payment services, or spending report. Very few systems combine intelligent budgeting, financial health assessment, explainable AI, and ethical AI principles within a single platform. Therefore, Smartspend AI was designed to bridge this gap by integrating intelligent financial management with responsible AI practices to provide users with recommendations they can both understand and trust. This slide summarizes the overall design and development process of Smartspend AI. We first identified several community problems, including impulse spending, poor budgeting habit, limited financial awareness, and lack of transparency in AI-generated recommendation. Based on this issue, we designed Smartspend AI as an integrated financial wellness platform. The expected outcome is to encourage responsible spending behavior, improve financial literacy, and support users in making more informed financial decisions through trustworthy AI assistant. This figure illustrates the overall architecture of the Smartspend AI. At the top is the user who interacts with the mobile application. The application communicates with the AI analytic engine, which analyzes user financial data, identifies spending patterns, predict future expenses, and generate personalized recommendation. The process information is stored securely within the database, while the notification module delivers spending alert and financial reminder. This layer architecture ensures that the system is secure, efficient, and capable of providing intelligent financial support in real time. This diagram illustrates how users interact with the system. The process begins with user registration or login. After successful authentication, users access the main dashboard where they can record expenses, monitor their budget, check their financial health score, and receive AI-powered financial insight. Behind the scene, the AI engine continuously analyzes spending behavior and update recommendations based on user financial activity. This creates a personalized financial management experience for every user. The first module is authentication module. User can securely register and log into the application before accessing any financial information. Since Smartspend AI manages sensitive financial data, authentication plays an important role in protecting user privacy and ensuring that only authorized users can access their personal information. This provides a secure foundation for all other system features. After login, users are directed to dashboard. The dashboard provides a clear overview of user financial situation, including total expenses, remaining budget, and overall financial health. It also allows users to quickly access key features such as expenses management, AI recommendation, and financial report. By presenting important information on one screen, users can immediately understand their financial status. The financial management module allows users to record and organize their daily expenses. Transactions are grouped into different spending categories, making it easier for users to analyze where their money is being spent. The system also compare current spending with the plain monthly budget and provide alert whenever spending exceeds the budget limit. This encourages user to make a better financial decision before overspending occur. One of the unique feature of Smartspend AI is the financial health score. Instead of only displaying transaction history, the system evaluates the user overall financial condition based on the several indicators, including budgeting consistency, spending habit, and saving performance. The score provides a user with a simple and meaningful way to monitor their financial progress and encourage continuous improvement over time. This model demonstrates the intelligent capability of Smartspend AI. The AI analyzes user spending behavior to identify trend, unusual transaction, and potential financial risks. Based on this finding, the system generates personalized recommendations to help users manage their finance more effectively. For example, if spending increased significantly in a particular category, the AI will provide suggestions to help user control their expenses and stay within budget. One of the key contributions of our project is ethical AI module. Unlike many AI systems that provide recommendation without explanation, Smart AI clearly explain why each recommendation is generated. This improves transparency and allow user to understand the reasoning behind the AI suggestion. In addition, the system emphasizes fairness, accountability, and data privacy to ensure that user can confidently trust the recommendation provided. The user management module allows users to manage their personal information, account setting, and privacy preference. Users have full control over their profile and can customize their application setting according to their individual needs. Providing users with greater control over their own data also support responsible AI implementation and strengthen user trust in the system. To summarize, Smartspend AI combine multiple intelligent features into one integrated financial wellness platform. These features include expense tracking, budgeting, financial health scoring, AI-powered spending analysis, personalized financial recommendation, explainable AI, ethical AI transparency, and secure user management. Together, these features help users make smarter financial decisions while promoting responsible AI adoption and improving overall financial well-being. In conclusion, Smartspend AI demonstrates how artificial intelligence can move beyond simple expenses tracking to become a trusted financial wellness assistant. By combining intelligent analytics with ethical AI principles, the system helps users improve budgeting habits, increase financial awareness, and make more informed financial decisions. This concludes my presentation on the introduction, literature review, and the design and development of the Smartspend AI. I will now invite my teammate Nazira to continue the presentation by discussing the impact of Smartspend AI on society, including its positive and negative impact, ethical consideration, and finally the project conclusion. Thank you so much.
Good day everyone, my name is Nur Nazira Maslina binti Ramli. Now I will continue, which we will discuss the findings, ethical considerations, recommendations, conclusion, and future direction of our proposed system, Smartspend AI. Our project is not only about using artificial intelligence to manage finances. More importantly, it focuses on using AI ethically so users can trust the recommendations they receive. Our proposed Smartspend AI combines three important elements. The first is integrated AI management, where AI analyzes users' spending records, budgets, and transaction history. The second is behavioral transformation. Instead of simply recording expenses, the system encourages users to build healthier financial habits through personalized insight and spending alerts. Finally, the third element is ethical AI integration. We ensure that AI recommendations are transparent, explainable, and always designed to benefit the user instead of encouraging unnecessary spending. This transforms the application from a simple budgeting tool into a complete financial wellness system. There are four major benefits provided by Smartspend AI. First is awareness. Users become more conscious of where their money goes because spending patterns are continuously analyzed. Second is management. Features such as budgeting, spending analysis, and financial health scores help users organize their finances more effectively. Third is transparency. Every AI recommendation comes with an explanation so users understand why the suggestion was generated. Lastly is responsibility. Users always remain in control of their financial decisions, while AI serves only as a decision support tool. Although Smartspend AI provides many advantages, there are still several limitations. The first challenge is data privacy and security. Since the system processes financial information, protecting user data is extremely important. The second challenge is algorithm dependency. AI recommendations depend on historical transaction data, so predictions may not always be perfect. Another limitation is bias and accuracy. If the training data is incomplete or unbalanced, AI recommendations may become less accurate. Finally, there are technical limitations, especially when users have limited transaction history. In such cases, AI may not have enough information to generate highly personalized recommendations. Next, when comparing the advantages and risks, we can see a balance. On the positive side, Smartspend AI encourages proactive budgeting, increases spending awareness through real-time tracking, and supports better financial decision-making with AI insights. However, there are also risks. These include possible data exposure, privacy concerns, users becoming overly dependent on AI, and algorithm bias. For this reason, ethical implementation is essential. AI should support users, not replace their own judgment. The core of our project is ethical AI. We apply four important principles. The first is privacy and confidentiality, where users' financial information is securely stored and protected. Second is fairness and non-discrimination, meaning AI recommendations should be fair and unbiased for every user. Third is transparency. Users are informed about how AI reached its recommendations instead of receiving unexplained results. Lastly is accountability. Human users always have the final decision. AI provides recommendations, but users remain responsible for their financial choices. These principles help build trust between users and the system. Next, I would like to explain how our ethical AI process works. The process begins with data input, where the system collects transaction history and spending records. Next, the AI processes the information to identify spending patterns and generate financial insights. Instead of immediately displaying recommendations, Smartspend AI includes an ethical AI dashboard. This dashboard explains three important things. First, why the recommendation was generated. Second, what financial data was used. Third, the confidence level of the prediction. For example, if AI recommends reducing coffee spending, the dashboard shows that coffee expenses increased by 30% compared to previous months, together with the confidence level of that recommendation. This allows users to verify the recommendation themselves rather than blindly trusting AI. This transparency is one of the key differences between Smartspend AI and many existing financial applications. AI as decision support. It is important to emphasize that Smartspend AI is designed as a decision support system. not a decision-making system. In a decision-making system, AI automatically decides the outcome without user involvement. However, our system follows a different approach. AI only provides recommendations and financial insight. The final decision always belongs to the user. This approach prevents excessive dependence on AI and respects users' autonomy. In other words, AI assists people, but it does not replace human judgment. Next, our proposed system creates positive impacts at three different levels. For individuals, Smartspend AI improves financial awareness and encourage responsible spending habits. For organizations, ethical AI strengthens trust in AI-powered financial services and promotes responsible innovation. For society, the system contributes to improving financial literacy while encouraging the responsible adoption of artificial intelligence. In conclusion, Smartspend AI successfully combines financial management with ethical AI principles. Unlike traditional financial applications that mainly focus on recording expenses, Smartspend AI provides intelligent financial insights while maintaining transparency, fairness, and accountability. The system helps young office workers develop healthier financial habits while ensuring AI recommendations remain understandable and trustworthy. For future improvements, several enhancements can be implemented. First, Smartspend AI can be integrated directly with banks and e-wallet providers so transaction records can be updated automatically. Second, more advanced machine learning algorithms can improve the accuracy of spending predictions and financial recommendations. Third, future versions may include chatbot-based financial coaching and multilingual support to improve accessibility. Finally, the system can be expanded into a real-world application with real users to evaluate its effectiveness in improving financial wellness. These future developments will make Smartspend AI more practical, intelligent, and beneficial for everyday financial management. So that concludes my presentation for today. Thank you very much for your attention.